Hey there, dessert lovers. If you've ever wanted to impress your friends and family with a homemade treat, today's your lucky day. I'm about to show you how to make classic baklava, crispy, syrupy, and totally irresistible. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need about 400 grams of phyllo dough, 250 grams of unsalted butter, 300 grams of nuts, walnuts, pistachios, a little cinnamon, sugar. And for the syrup, just water, sugar, and a squeeze of lemon. Simple, right? Now set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Melt your butter gently. Brush the bottom of a large baking tray with that golden goodness. Lay down a sheet of phyllo, brush it with butter, then repeat until you've stacked about half the sheets. Don't worry if a sheet tears, nobody will notice in the final masterpiece. Time for the nuts. Pulse them in a food processor until they're finely chopped. Mix in a little cinnamon and a spoonful of sugar. Spread this mixture evenly over your buttery phyllo stack. Now layer the rest of your phyllo sheets on top, brushing each with more butter. Once you're done, use a sharp knife to cut the baklava into diamond squares. Go slow and be gentle. Pop the tray in the oven and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until golden and crisp. While that's baking, let's make the syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a squeeze of lemon juice in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for about 10 minutes. You want a lovely, slightly thick syrup, not too runny. Once the baklava is golden and hot out of the oven, immediately pour the cooled syrup over it. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. Let it soak for at least 3 hours. Trust me, it's worth the wait. When you finally take that first bite, you'll know it was all worth it. Flaky, nutty, sweet. Homemade baklava is pure joy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your dessert-loving friends. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!